The metric system notes are pretty straightforward. The three base units that we're going to use in the metric system are the gram for mass, the liter for volume, and the meter for length. As you can see on the bottom here, we have the KHDA.DCM. All those are the metric prefixes for kilo, hecto, deca. The dot is the base unit, so that's your gram, your liter, or your meter. Deci, centi, milli. And all we're going to do is when we do metric conversions, we're going to slide the decimal point one place to the right or left for every time we move right or left on this scale. That's because the metric system is based on powers of 10, which is what it says right here on the screen. Looking down here and doing some examples of this, it makes it easier if we write that little line up top here. So we're going to write KHDA dot DCM. And we're just going to follow along here. So we're in centimeters, and we want to go to millimeters. Notice they both have meters in them. It's M on this side, it says meters on this side. So we can kind of ignore those. And we're going from C to M, centi to milli. So if we look up here, centi to milli is 1 to the right. So that means the decimal point moves 1 to the right. In 15, this decimal point's right here, and we're going to move it to the right one place. Now we have to fill that place value, so we're going to use a 0. So 15 centimeters is 150 millimeters. Next we have meters. We're going to kilometers. Meters, notice there's only one letter here. That means it's the base unit, so that's the dot right in the middle. And kilometers is K. So to get from the dot to K, we go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. That means we take this decimal point and we go 1, 2, 3 places to the left. Again, we're going to fill those empty spots in with 0, so it's 0.0036. For the next one, we're going from liters to milliliters. Again, liters is a base unit. There's no prefix on it, so we're going to start at the dot. And to get to milliliters, we go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So we take our decimal point and we go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. We get 119. To get from grams to kilograms, again, grams is a base unit. Kilograms is K. So 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we take our decimal point and we go 1, 2, 3 to the left. And it's 1.429. To get from decimeters to centimeters, again, they both have meters, so we can kind of ignore that. We're just going from D to C. So from D to C up here is 1 to the right. So we'll move our decimal point 1 to the right. And so that means it's 0.2. From here we're going millimeters. 214 millimeters is how many meters? So millimeters is on the right. And we go 1, 2, 3. We go to the dot because that's our base unit and that's what a meter is. So 3 to the right here is 1, 2, 3. 0.214. We're going to scroll down the screen a little bit here so we can see the rest of our examples. I'm going to rewrite the thing down here on the bottom. So we're going to have KHDA.DCM. So milliliters to kiloliters, this is as far as you can go on the scale, all the way from the right to all the way on the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So we're going to take it and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So that makes our thing 0.006. Next one to go from grams to kilograms. Grams is the base unit, so we're going 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3 to the left, and that makes it 26.793. Centimeters to meters. Centimeters is C. Meters is the dot, so 2 to the left. So up here, 2 to the left, and that just leaves us with 19. You can put 0.00 if you want. You do not need to. As long as you have the 19 right, I'm going to assume you moved the decimal point correctly. 81 milligrams to grams. Milligrams is all the way on the right. It's the M. We're going to the dot, so 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's 0.081. And that's all there is to know about metric conversions.